YouTube. Oh, it's dark. It's dark. But I'm inside my car. I just left work. I didn't even leave it. Bro, I'm stuck in a fucking snowstorm, nigga. And inside the parking lot. Yo, I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Covering cars. Doing all of that. You see that? When I say this shit is silly insane, it's crazy insane. Look at my thing. Look at snow in the thing, yo, bro. Stupid, yeah. I'm gonna try to get out of this. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I just want to show you guys how crazy I get in Canada. But like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I can vlog my way home for y'all. Hopefully. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, so bro G, I'm finally out of the snow. But I literally can't see nothing. Shit. Here, look. I'll show you guys. My car. On my thing. My thing is inside my trunk. My trunk doesn't open. Try a different method. Shit! What do I got? Alright. I got some old pair of shoes right here. Fuck. Freak ice. Cool. Fuck, that's cool. Okay. Okay, I can see a little bit better. This is just crazy. Bro. This is just crazy. Yo, thank God I'm not tired, my G. Thank God, bro. I did a 12-hour shift today. Thank God I'm not tired. You can't be tired and driving in them type shit weather. I'm being honest right now. If you're tired and driving in this weather right now, I'm driving like 40 in a 80 zone. Why would I drive more than 40? Yeah, because in the snow, if you brake, the car goes faster for some reason. So you can't brake to stop your car in the snow. All you gotta do to stop your car in the snow is your car don't stop in the snow. Unless you run into something. That's all I can say. So if you're not driving like 30 or 40 or something like that, look at that guy. He's stuck, bro. And that's a Mercedes that got stuck. Yo, you see them shit. So this road has been cleaned a little bit, but the storm is getting so nasty, bro. And I need gas. Shit! I need gas. Look at my car choose to. So I'm almost close to home right now. This shit is getting worse and worse. Cause I can't see nothing. There's no road. You can't see the curb. And the snow's getting higher and higher for some reason. Cars are getting stuck. Traffic is being... People are sliding. Bro. Yo, tell me if you guys can see anything. Yo, so my car got stuck. Oh fuck. Yo. Yo. Bro, so my car got stuck, right? And a pile of snow. Literally. Hey.
Hey. I'm trying to help us. Sorry. Where are you gonna go?
That way. Wanna go that way?
That way?
Yeah. Is there a lot of thick snow?
Yeah, it's like it's so thick and nice.
Yeah. Is it better if I go down and then go around?
It's right here.
Okay.
Try to go.
And yeah, I'm just going next street.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to push you back a little bit straight.
Okay, thanks.
So here it's like nice. I think we're gonna get stuck.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Canadians are so nice, G. You wouldn't even understand, bro. You wouldn't even understand how Canadians are so nice, my G. Bro, Canadians are so nice, my G. It's crazy. So, yo, YouTube, I'm home. And this is, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. There's no road in my neighborhood. And I'm gonna show you the door. The walk to my door. I'm gonna show you the walk to my door. I'm sure you. Right, I'm walking to my door. You see that? Where's my foot? Can you see my foot? Okay. You can. Look at this. Look at that. See that? This is my step. You see that? Look at that. And the crazy part about it, the storm not even really like top storm yet. It's just barely started. Guys, like, subscribe on this video, share, comment. Most of you guys want to see snows and stuff. If you guys ever see snow, look at it. This is what we live in. This is what we're living. Look at my backyard. See that? Snow is as tall as my fence. Look, I'm breaking stuff now. snow all the time. So you make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I reach home safe. Thank God. But I'm saying Canadians are so nice, but we're different from the States. I mean, I used to compare, but we're just different. We're the best. Yo, bro, I got stuck literally in a whole mound of snow. When I say a mound, it could literally cover half of my body, bro. And this guy came out of nowhere and started pushing my car and shoving snow out of my way, bro. Right now I want to go shove my driveway, but it's no use, because why would I shove it right now? And there's a storm. I didn't even park properly. I parked in half the road and half the driveway. I couldn't even come up. I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Out.
Dip off in the race, you come to the crib.